Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I will teach the last topic, distillation and the fractional distillation. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the evaporation, means how we become separate solid from liquid. But student, in the case of evaporation, we get only one thing. Suppose that if you have the mixture of water and salt, then after heating, what we get? We get only the salt. Water already mixed up in the atmosphere. Okay? But in the fractional distillation, we get both. Suppose that if you have the mixture of salt and water, and if you want to need both, you want water and you need salt, both you need, then what we do? Okay? So, one thing, we use the distillation. See, what is this? See, what is the distillation? Distillation is the process of separation of a liquid from its solution with a solid constituent by heating the liquid to its vapor form, then cooling the vapor get back the pure liquid. It means distillation is the process of separation of liquid from its solution. Suppose that if you have the solution of salt and water, then how we can separate water from the salt? Okay, see. First we arrange all the things according to the figure. See, student, is the round bottom flask. This is the stand. This is a wire gas. This is the tripod stand. This is the Bunsen burner. See, is the fractional column. Is the distillation column. See, student, in this thing, and this is the cooling flask. So in such process, see, first in the round bottom flask, we take the mixture of salt and water or sugar and water what we need. Okay? After that, friend, we start to heat. We start to heat the liquid. There is a liquid change to the vapor form. Okay? Such vapor, it pass from such tube. Distillation tube. Students, see, here the two columns. Student, this the one side water become enter and other side water become remove outside. Clear? So, what is the purpose? When water become enter from this side and coming out from this side, then such area it become make cool. So when vapor pass from such tube, then vapor lost their heat. क्या करता है ये? मान लिया वेपर आया यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे ये ठंडा हो गया. ठीक है ना? तो ठंडा में क्या हुआ? ये किस फॉर्म में चेंज हो गया? लिक्विड फॉर्म में चेंज हो गया. यहाँ से बदला वेपर में यहाँ से गया, यहाँ पहुंचा, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? ये ठंडा हो गया. इसके बाद क्या हुआ? ये लिक्विड फॉर्म में चेंज हुआ और यहाँ पे ये आके ये हमको डिस्टिलेट हमको मिल गया, प्योर लिक्विड मिल गया हमको. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज द डिस्टिलेशन. After heating, suppose that you get the mixture of salt and water, round bottom flask, and other cooling flask, we get the pure water. Means we get both. We get salt and we get water. So by such process, we get both things. But in the evaporation, we get only one thing. What? Only salt. Water become mixed up in the atmosphere. Clear? Other student, fractional distillation. So in the distillation process, we separate solid from liquid. But in the fractional distillation, if two or more miscible liquid, like alcohol and water, ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol, is equal to each other. So how it becomes separate? So student, same figure is there. Student, there is the one column C, there is the wire guard, there is the Bunsen burner, round bottom flask, distillation tube, same process there. But in such process, we take two miscible liquid whose boiling point are different. Whose boiling point are the different. Suppose student, if you take the mixture of ethyl alcohol and water. Ethyl alcohol and water. So student, ethyl alcohol boiling point 70 degrees Celsius and water boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Means after 100 degrees Celsius, it changes into the vapor form. See, student, is a thermometer. First put on the thermometer here. and start to heat the solution. Suppose that if you get the mixture of ethyl alcohol and water, you can start to heat. When their temperature reach at the 78 degrees Celsius, then constant the heat. You maintain the heat at the 78 degrees Celsius. What comes in that? At 78 degrees Celsius or more than 78, 79, 80 degrees Celsius, the alcohol particles which are present in the water change into the vapor form. क्या करेगा? जैसे ही टेम्परेचर 78 से ज्यादा होगा, मीन 79 हुआ, क्या होगा? Alcohol particles vaporize and pass from the tube, reach into a destination tube. When it become reach here, it again change into the liquid form. And after that, in the other flask, we get the alcohol. Means because ethyl alcohol boiling point 78 degrees Celsius and water 100 degrees Celsius. Means at the 78 or 79, alcohol vaporize and we condense, we become collect this in the other beaker, conical flask. Okay. So by such process, we separate after 78 degrees Celsius when we become stop the when vaporization become stop, we become stop the process. Means in such things, in the water in the flask, we get the water, and in the other conical flask, we get the alcohol. Similarly, student, ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol boiling point 74.5 degrees Celsius and ethyl alcohol 78 degrees Celsius. So first we take the mixture of ethyl and methyl alcohol, start to heat. When their temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius, then all the methyl molecules become vaporized, pass from the distillation tube, and then become condensed and collect in the other conical flask. Okay, so on the round bottom flask we get the ethyl alcohol, and on the conical flask we get the methyl alcohol. Okay, so by such process we become separated two immiscible liquid. So when you use the fractional distillation become used for separation two or more miscible liquid, but condition their boiling point are different. And in the distillation, we separate solid from liquid, which are miscible to each other. Okay, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.